Yo, Happy New Year to
Happy
you guys.
New Year!
One and all. Yeah, man. Give a thanks. This is Nigel
And Jessica,
with Nigel's Jamaican.
Almond World.
Yeah, man.
We just want to wish you guys a Happy New Year and to give you thanks for 2018. We met some really amazing people.
Yes,
We were able
yes.
to definitely stay in touch with all of the people that have been with us along the road. And
Yep.
we just want to let you guys know we appreciate you and we wish you all the blessings, all the love for 2019.
Team. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you for your support throughout the year. You know, it means a lot. We know you guys love us. We love you guys, and we will keep, having this amazing oil for you guys throughout the year, same way. And as we go along, I'll develop more products, same way. All right. So just keep posted and keep looking out. All right.
Thanks
Yeah,
a
man.
lot.
Thanks a lot. Love and harmony.
And harmony.
Yeah, man. Respect.